It's Christmas time again, but your chair is still empty. We set the table like you taught us, your memory wrapping around gently.
The laughter that you left behind still dances through these halls, even though you're gone from us. Your love still answers when we call.
Yeah, we talk about you every season, all the good times that we shared. You showed us what Christmas means, love, forgiveness, how to care. You guided us through life, telling we walk good, hold your faith. Yeah. You made us wiser,
You made us brave.
even though we lost you, your lessons never fade. You're still a part of Christmas, every carol that we sing, every memory in the kitchen, every joy the season brings.
And though our hearts still tremble, we know you're smiling where you are,
'Cause Christmas lives inside us,
and your love still lights the dark.
we still leave your space untouched. Nobody sits in your chair. It reminds us of your presence, makes us feel you're always near.
We try to cook like you did, even if we don't get it right. But knowing you're a part of our Christmas gives us strength to face the night.
Sometimes the tears still fall,
But we know you're in a better place.
your spirit bless every Christmas breeze. Your love still warm up this space.
So we carry your love, we carry your name,
And every Christmas memory will never be the same. You're still a part of Christmas,
in every song you used to lead. We sing them now with trembling voices, but your strength is what we need.
though time keeps moving forward, your love holds us strong and true. And every Christmas that we celebrate because of you. Yeah,
Christmas carries your heartbeat still, your spirit warm like a candlelight glow.
you're gone, but always with us, more than you could ever know.